What do you want?
A chocolate.
You want what?
What chocolate?
Oh,
In this video I will show you how to create beautiful cat singing video. If you want to create a beautiful singing video of your cat, then watch the full video. I will show you step by step. Let's go. Open this app on your phone. I will put the app link in the description so that you can easily download it. There are many ready-made video templates here, select the one you like. Now upload a picture of your own cat here. Now find the template on which you want to create your video. Now upload your cat image. Zoom in the photo to adjust cat's eyes and mouth. When you are done, tap Confirm. Now tap Animate Image from the bottom. Wait some time. AI will do its work. And now our AI cat video is ready.
what do you want?
A chocolate.
You want what?
What chocolate?
Oh,
Now let's find another template which is more interesting. A game. Upload your image and do the same what we have previously done. Here we need to select our cat image and then tap Animate from the bottom. Adjust the eyes and mouth of the cat. When the face is selected, tap on Animate Image. It will take some time to generate the video. Please wait a while. And here our video is ready. Friends, by this way you can create AI cat video in a few minutes.
Love me.
It was really very fun as well as we have used all free tools.
Bestie.
If this video helps you, please give a like to this video, send it to your friends and subscribe to the channel to get more of this kind of AI-related videos regularly. Thanks for watching this video. We'll meet again in the next video. Till then, happy creating.